Hello everybody, now we will focus on a lot of questions about derivative, and in this video we'll solve a lot of questions about the gradient. Find the gradient when x equal number. In this example, 2x power 3 y power 2 subtract 5x equal 3y. We want to find the gradient when x equal 1. First, we want to find the derivative of this function. We know to its coefficient. We can write it outside here, or you can divide it to term 2x power 3 multiplied by 2y y dash. Derivative of this function, first multiply derivative by second plus second multiplied by derivative by first. The result will be 6x power 2 subtract by 5 equal 3y dash, and we can complete it steps. We can write this expression, first term, and 3y dash outside here. We can going by left hand side and inverse the sign, so we can write 2x power 3 multiplied by 2y y dash subtract 3y dash equal, we can moving this expression by left hand side to right hand side and inverse sign here, 5 subtract y power 2 multiply 6x power 2 6x power 2 y power 2, and we can write y outside here, coefficient y dash. We know 2 multiplied by 2 equal 4 x power 3 y subtract 3 equal 5 multiplied by 6 x power 2 y power 2. We want to find y dash equal 5 subtract by 6x power 2 y power 2 over 4x power 3 y subtract by 3, and at x equal 1 we can find y dash. We know when x equal 1 we can find y. Let x equal 1, 2 multiply y power 2 y power 2 subtract 5 equal 3 plus 5 equal 8 divided by 2 equal 4, then y power 2 equal 4, so y will be positive or negative. Square root of 4 will be 2. Again, we can write x equal 1 here. We have 3y. Okay, we can solve this equation by another paper here. We can find y. Let x equal 1 here, so 2y power 2 subtract 5 subtract 3y equal 0, and we can factorize this equation. 2y power 2 subtract 3y subtract by 5 equals 0. You can factorize this expression. 2y multiply y and 5 multiplied by 1 times 2, and 5 will be negative and it will be positive, also 5 more than 1, and negative 5 plus 2y, negative 5y plus 2y equal negative 3y. So y will be 5 over 2 or y equal negative 1. So you can find the equation. Here we know dy over x at x equal 1. We can find the first point, x equal 1, x and y, x equal 1 and y equal 5 over 2, and the second point, x equal 1 and y equal negative 1. Okay, so we can find y dash equal 5 here, subtract 6 multiplied by 1 equal 6 multiply by 5 over 2, write 5 over 2 here, subtract, okay, 5 subtract 6 multiply 5 over 2 over 4 multiply x power 3 equal 1 multiply y equal 5 over 2 multiply by 5 over 2 subtract by 3. Okay, look at this point, 1 and the 5 over 2 we put here in this equation, x equal 1 and y equal 5 over 2, and we can simplify it and find the result. y dash equal 5 subtract 6 divided by 2 equal 3. 3 times 5 equal 15. 4 divided by 2 equal 2. 2 times 5 10. 10 subtract 3 equals 7. 5 minus 15 equal negative 10. Negative 10 over 7. Okay, so it was the result about dy over dx y dash equal negative 10 over 7. But look at here, it was power, it will be 25 over 4. Okay, we can solve it again. 6 divided by 4 multiplied by 25. Okay, it will be 6 multiply, you can solve it here. Y dash equal 5 subtract 6 multiplied by 1 multiplied by y power 2. 5 over 2 power 2 over 4x power 3 1 multiplied by y equal 5 over 2 subtract by 3. Y dash equal 5 subtract 6 over 4 multiplied by 25 over 4 divided by 2 equal 2. 2 times 5 by 10. 10 minus 3 equals 7. We can find the result here about this expression. We can find the result. 6 divided by 2 equal 3. 4 divided by 2 equal 2. 25 divided by 2 equal 12.5 multiplied by 3. So 5 subtract 3 times 5 15. 5 and the carry of 1. 2 times 3 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7. 3 times 1 equals 3 over 7. Y dash equal, we can find the results negative here, and 5 point 7 minus 5 equal 2 and write 3. So the result will be negative 32.5 over 7. It's okay. This is the first result, dy over x. And when x equal 1 and y equal negative 1, we can find y dash. So y dash will be equal what? We can complete it here. When x equal 1 and y equal negative 1, we can find y dash equal at 1 negative 1. X will be 1 and y negative 1. So y dash equal 5 subtract 6 multiply 1. 1 multiply 1. 4 multiply 1 multiply negative 1 will be negative 4 and negative 3. 5 subtract 6 equal negative 1 over negative 7 equal 1 over 7. So it's y dash. Look at this example. Find the equation of the normal to the curve as a point 0, 1. Y multiplied by e power negative 2x equal 2x plus y power 2. Look at this example. We want to find the equation of normal the curve as a point 0, 1. First, we want to find the derivative about this function, dy over x. Okay, we can write first multiply by derivative about the second, e power negative 2x multiply derivative about this power will be negative 2 plus second multiply by derivative about the first will be dy over dx. It will be y dash, and we here can write 2 derivative about 2x will be 2 plus derivative about this term 2y y dash. Okay, 2y dash dy dx. Okay, 2y dash y. Okay, 2y dash y. We can complete it here. It's meaning 2y dash y or 2y y dash as you like. So we can complete it. Write it here. Negative 2y e power negative 2x plus y dash e power negative 2 equal to plus 2y dash. So we can move this term by left hand side to right hand side, and 2 can move it here. So we can write negative 2y e power negative 2x negative 2 equal 2y y dash subtract y dash e power negative 2. So we can write negative 2y e power negative 2x subtract 2 equal y dash outside here. We can write 2y subtract e power negative 2. Then we can write y dash equal what? Equal negative y e power negative 2x, this expression, divided this expression, 2y. Okay, we can write y dash equal negative 2 negative 2y e power negative 2 y e power negative 2x subtract by 2 over 2y subtract e power negative 2. And he told us about this point 0 and 1. We can write about this power. X will be 0, it will be 1, and y 1, the result will be negative 2 subtract by 2 equal negative 4, and 2 multiply 1 equal 2 subtract by e power negative 2x. Again we can write it here, y dash e power negative 2x. Okay, negative 2x. X was 0, so this number will be 1. So the result will be negative 4 over 1, and y dash will be equal negative 4. We want to find y dash. You want to find the equation, so we can complete it. We have the point and the slope. We can write the equation. Y subtract y dash equal m multiply x subtract x dash. Y subtract y dash was negative 4, negative multiply negative equal positive, equal slope here negative 4, subtract negative 4 is a slope. Y subtract, we have this point 0 and 1. Okay, I write it here again. Y subtract y1 over x subtract x1 equal slope. Slope was negative 4. Y subtract by 1. Okay, y subtract 1 over x subtract 0. So y minus 1 equal negative 4 multiplied by x. So can write the equation here. Y plus 4x negative 1 equal 0. It's the equation. Okay.